Let's learn طرفيه letters. طرفيه letters mean طرفيه حروف. As we know, طرفيه letters are from al-lisan makhraj. In al-lisan means in tongue there are 9 makhraj. لهاتية، شجرية، حافية، طرفية، نسبية، لثوية, صفيرية. We have done so far Lahatia, Shajri and Hafia. You can find the link in the description or in the I button. Or you can also visit my channel. Today we are gonna learn Tarfiya letters. Welcome to my channel Arab Ever Best Arabic Advisor. This is our lesson number 6 for the Makhraj. Today we are gonna learn Tarfiya letters. But the question is, what are Tarfiya letters? Answer: letters pronounced from tarful lisan are called tarfiya letter. What is tarful lisan? The very front part of the tongue, the sides of the front part of the tongue, which are thinner as compared to the back side part sides of the tongue. So the front thinner sides of the tongue are called tarful lisan. Letters pronounced from this makhraj are three. These letters are lam, noon, and ra. As they are pronounced from tarful lisan, so they are called tarfiya letters. But all the three letters are not pronounced from one makhraj. As it was in the case of hafiya and shajja letters, tarfiya letters lam, noon, and ra pronounced from slightly different makharij. To understand this slightly difference, you must know about the names of the teeth in Arabic. In English, the front four teeth are called incisors. Next to them, the sharp teeth are called canines, and then two premolars, and then next are molars. But in Arabic, it is not so. In Arabic, out of the four incisors, the front two teeth, which grows in the child very fast, are called sanaya. Sanaya ulia for the front two teeth on the upper side, and the lower side front two teeth are called sanaya sufla. So the front upper two teeth, so front two upper teeth are sanaya ulya and front lower two teeth are called sanaya sufla. Next to sanaya ulya, one right on and one on the left are called rubai. So rubai and sanaya actually makes the incisors. Next to them, in canines are called in Arabic inyab. Inyab in Arabic, canines are called. Next to them, the first premolar out of two premolars, the first premolar is called wahik, and the second premolar and the first two molars collectively called adras. Second premolar and first two molars are called collectively adras, and the last molar is called nawajis. This is the distribution of the names of the teeth in Arabic. It is must to learn because they plays a pivotal role in understanding the makhraj in next letters. Now let's learn the makhraj. Makhraj of lam. Lam is pronounced from thinner front part of the tongue along with tip of the tongue, which touch the gums of premolars of one side to the premolars of the other side. Means from premolars to molars is the makhraj of lam. In Arabic terminology, you can say that the full lisan touch the gums of zuahik, inyab, rubai, and snaya, ulia. From zuahik to zuahik is the makhraj of the lam. The makhraj of noon. Noon is pronounced from thinner front part of the tongue along with the tip of the tongue, which touch the gums of canines of one side to the canines of the other side. Means from canines to canine is the makhraj of noon. In Arabic, you can say that the full lisan touch the gums of inyab, rubai, and snaya ulia. Means from inyab to inyab is the makhraj of the noon. Makhraj of ra. Ra is pronounced from the tip of the tongue with the top part along with its adjoining gums. Means the tarful lisan touches the gums of rubai and snaya ulya from rubai to rubai along with the little toe part of the lisan is the makhraj of ra. The little toe part of the lisan is additional in ra, which is not present in lam and noon. But you may notice that the makhraj of lam, noon, and ra is gradually decreasing from zwahik to the snaya, ulya, and rubai. Let's compare to learn all these three letters perfectly. The makhraj of lam is from zwahik to zwahik. It means from first premolar to premolar. In it, the tarful lisan touch the gums of zwahik, inyab, and rubai, and snaya ulya. While in makhraj of noon, the tarful lisan touched the gums of inyab, rubai, and snaya ulya. Means from inyab to inyab is the makhraj of the noon. So you see, zwahik is not involved in noon. While in the makhraj of ra, the tip of the tongue, a tarful lisan, touch the gums of rubai and snaya ulya. Now more decrease the makhraj of ra. The makhraj of lam involves zwahik and aniyab and rubai and snaya. But in noon, zwahik skips, iniyab, rubai and snaya comes, and then in ra, iniyab also skips, rubai and snaya involved. In English, you can say from premolars to premolar is the makhraj of lam, but in noon, it's from canines to canines. And in case of ra, it is only incisors are involved in the makhraj of the terfia letters. I hope you understand it well. You can compare and understand it well by it. Let's practice now. Lam. Al. Al. While pronouncing lam, our tip of the tongue spread toward the gums of the front teeth. Al. La. Li. Lu. La. Li. Lu. Fala. Fala. Lam. Lam. فولي فولي لئلا لئلا. Now the makhraj of noon, an, na, ni, nu. You may notice that while pronouncing noon, the sound goes to the nose automatically. Actually, this is called guna. Guna is the personal characteristic of noon. We will learn it in detail in the chapter of the characteristics of the letters. Right now, you may learn only this. Well, while pronouncing noon, sounds go to the nose automatically, which is a must. Na, ni, nu, nahnu, nahnu, numitu, numitu, عنهم عنهم يقولون يقولون. Now the makhraj of ra, ar, ra, ri, ru, ar, ra, ri, ru. You may notice while pronouncing ra, this little vibration, this is the part of the characteristic of the ra. Kafaru, kafaru, ara'aytum, ara'aytum, rabbuna, rabbuna. That is enough for today. See you in my next video with a new makhraj. But don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Assalamu alaikum.